Welcome to Access ADRS, your source for the Alabama Department of Rehabilitation Services headlines. Our mission to enable Alabama's children and adults with disabilities to achieve their maximum potential. This is Access ADRS.
This year, the ADRS Disability Employment Summit will be merged with the Alabama Works Annual Conference. This virtual event will be held September 21st through the 22nd and will include the annual awards given out by the Alabama Governor's Committee on the Employment of People with Disabilities.
Governor Kay Ivey will kick off the conference once again, and there will be breakout sessions on several popular topics, including disability etiquette and deaf culture in the workplace. The legendary Dr. Richard Pimentel is back as a keynote speaker, and he's someone that you do not want to miss. He laid fundamental groundwork for the adoption of the Americans with Disabilities Act, which celebrated 31 years of passage this past July.
On August 3rd, Governor Kay Ivey announced the launch of Coulter City, a statewide partnership with the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency. This new partnership makes the Alabama LEA the nation's first state law enforcement agency to train and become sensory inclusive.
In the past, if law enforcement doesn't know how to properly assess a person's needs, situations may have escalated needlessly when they didn't have to. And I'm proud to announce this morning, y'all, that all sworn officers with the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency have completed this program.
Coulter City is a nonprofit organization recognized throughout the nation. It works to revolutionize and affect change in the community for individuals with sensory needs or those with invisible disabilities. The program's training focuses on instilling understanding, acceptance, and empathy in first responders towards those who have sensory needs. Auburn University, in partnership with the ADRS Blind Services Division, hosted the annual College Quest Summer Program for its third year after COVID canceled 2020 activities. A dozen students from throughout Alabama participated in this residential program that is focused on 6 disciplines: independent living, orientation and mobility, assistive technology, team building, student advisement, and vocational rehabilitation.
You know, we want students to know that if they keep on pushing forward, reaching their goals and inspiring others, that there will be others in the state who will realize their potential and know what an asset people with disabilities can be to Alabama's growing economy.
Students can receive 2 hours of college credit upon passing the course Special Topics in College Student Development. The College Quest program is supported by the Alabama Institute for Deaf and Blind, Alabama Industrial Development Training, and the Alabama Department of Commerce. College Quest was featured recently on WSFA TV 12 in Montgomery as part of its recent education series. The Mobile Vocational Rehabilitation Service Office recently welcomed ADRS Office of Communication and Information to tour the new 3101 International Drive location.
This was actually 2 separate buildings or 2 separate office spaces. We've put our Lamona Lucas plaque up in here, and we actually invited Miss Lucas and her husband to come to the building before we ever moved in so they could see the space and look at what her fruits of labor had done.
The facility, which also houses the State of Alabama Independent Living Homebound Sale offices, is centrally located near Bel Air Mall just off Interstate 65 to provide easier access to consumers. Now here's Josh Brewer with Access ADRS's sign phrase of the month with the question, how are you?
The how are you doing more literal is like this. And there's a little bit of it like a lean forward because it's a question. When you ask a question, you lean forward. And on the side.
That's all for your latest Access ADRS. For all of your ADRS news, visit our website at rehab.alabama.gov.
Special thanks to Dana Barber, Josh Brewer, Jason Martin, Anna Taylor, and the VRS sale staff in Mobile. Video clips in this episode may have been recorded prior to ADRS mask requirement policy.